Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Merry Christmas and New Year in advance. Few days to go. Today is 29. Tomorrow is 30. Just 2 days to go. So I want beg una man say man, as we enter this new year, medicine, breakthrough, everything, long life and prosperity, and I go follow everybody, man. And we're not go hear bad news now. So good news now go dey hit for our domoto. So today we come with a boge topic. I know say ever since I not get time, I don't leave this as my regular customer before, but somebody can't draw my attention to one of the video when he do. So I see the video where we say me our brother about Osazee do. I bet when I share am, we will get giveaway today. When I share am, we get giveaway so that if una don ready for the giveaway, so that we'll start to dey do am for not to waste time today, because I will still watch one match just now. So automatically somebody draw my attention to one of our brother video wey be say about Osazee do. So as I watch the video, e say 2022. So im go open place wey be say Edo people, the good Nigerians, where dem go dey donate money put like form of charity, you know. Say not be the one wey John Osazee our brother do or Imudia they do. So I listened to the conversation. I was like, is this guy really normal or what? You are the same person that is like fighting against something like nobody should extort money on social media, but you are not telling people now like you want to open foundation that people should come and start donating money or gifts or items to your charity organization. Why you categorically, when you also destroy someone's foundation, you destroy someone's business, you want your business to prosper? No. Now me can't stand for that line say nobody will go to social media will go open foundation again. Is impossible. How about that foundation not go work? It not go work. Because when I talk and say that foundation not go work, you don't destroy, you don't disgwagwa John Osazee. We know say that one I just see thief on his own. In with them call Imudia, all of them be thief, you know. All of them be thief, you know. As about even pursue all of them enter us, me even like him, you know. So that me everybody go the hustle, everybody they hustle to get this money. You understand? When are too young, we be say man, now they depend on social media money when I go dey installed for our brother, on our sister hand, you know. It does not make sense now. Young boys like us, none of us we don't reach 40s. Our set, none of us we don't reach 40. You know they. So we are seeing our 30s. We are seeing our 30s they pluck and they go. So all of us now age mates. So when I know if you tell me now, say me when I know if you see something use in our life do. All those gullible yelekutes we fool diaspora. How bad will you come out now? Begin the load bag of. I heard they look many of una that day. So now they donate 5 bag, now they donate 10 bag, now they donate. Now not get sense. So I swear now not get sense. Many of una now throw away sense. Now not get family. Now not get somebody for our village. We be say man I go reach out to. Now not get person for our street when I build on a house put. Now not get less privilege for our area. But how bad they collect those things for now till they get glory. How bad they, I bet wanna try wanna share this video now. If this one I know they share this video like this, you know they make sense. You can't they make me know what they yarn. And I know see now those one of those things. If I know they share like this, not going to encourage me to come and to come even I like to you now to come see follow now talk. And many people say man that they like my talk, that they like my parole. Then they boss me, bros, where you dey, you are why you isolate yourself. Things they solve. And I say man, mad hustle. You know. But I say make I still spend some more time with you. Now I still do some more giveaway today. But none of them want great share now. And it is not encouraging. You know they encourage. Because I begin many things where I want to talk. If I talk tomorrow, social media go catch fire. So Mona share. When I know say my social media catch fire tomorrow, Mona share. And I don't say, I don't say what I don't comment to. Sister, brother, what I share her before I go here. Where's the matter I want to wait? I want to wait words for the mat. More than me want to use that one to enter New Year. After New Year, then the real saga go start. You know, me I not dey face anybody. I not dey face any other person for social media. I not dey face any other person for social media. I not dey face any other person for social media. Only person with me with a get problem. Now job be this thing where I put for here now. As I watch the video, I dey para. I dey para for the video when I watch. Say man, 2022, they go create place where we say they want to pull, where those people want to pull money, then they reach out to the poor. Na Chris, we hold John Osazee lawa. We call it Imudia lawa. We had more work, but egba na. Where till ya mekiwa, the way do kill we not do, it not go work now. How about it not go work, my brother? More share, we get giveaway today, man. More try more share. More share. Even if you share this video, say this video go viral. I get a lot of giveaway today. Although United want to give away, make una share. To share na problem. To subscribe na problem. I not say more na donate money now. I not say more na donate money. So I want let una know today say, wetin make me just come out this evening. You don't reach about 5 people who don't inbox me with that bad video. As I see am for Saga, they don't inbox me. No, the thing can't really like. I can't reason. I can't sleep over and say, why this guy they try to after he don't use our excellency God Noge Ase Obaseki to build the platform with a talk back squad. So the platform don't large. Now he want to use the platform now. Can't they shut down the rest people? Use the same platform now. Can't they enrich itself? Can't they open foundation? We be say do people for the gullible ones, so the gullible ones. We be say they'll come they put money. From there, now in with young well, can't they feed? You understand? Because that kind of liability now, he not get job, he not get work, he not get payment slip, he not they work for government house, he not they work for anywhere. It's just like liability to Edo people. It's a liability to Edo people. So for me, that word when you talk, you not go work. And Edo people more than stand on our grounds, more than not let that guy go deceive una, open foundation. Because he talk one word, he say he not care anything when I want talk. Okay, why he can't care for John Osazee issue then? Albert was one of these among people that make Winifred to leave John Osazee alone. Albert was among those people that make Winifred, John Osazee's wife, to divorce John Osazee. Yeah, because the narration was too much. Another man, the man we fed a friend Winifred. Albert was cutting they call that one. That one take give Albert this one. This one. Albert can't talk everything for social media. John Osazee, it's time for you to consider your own part. John Osazee, if you allow this boy open foundation, I will say you not still try. Because the guy destroy your fabrica, your company, your industry, wait for the collect. He don't destroy them. So he want to go open the same industry again now. He want to go open the same industry. Politics not there again. Ogba, fi masha. He don't finish. Our SLS not get at all. No say, no negligate politics. He doesn't look politics anymore. He call you if he wants to call you. He call you and bless you. But these same people, they are thinking that this man to just depend or say the rest people they are enemy to the kingdom, enemy to the. If you are not PDP or you are not this, you will just be God in Obaseki enemy. No, it cannot be. It cannot be. Please share this video. The giveaway we are going to do. Let me just tell you guys. So anybody that's going to watch this video now or later, please just click the link that is there. Just click any video and put your phone number and the network. Put your phone number and put your phone number and your network. We will credit you in your phone. Just click the link in that our page in this very video now. Click the link and just click any video of your choice. There's a lot of video there. There are comedy, there are different things that you can see, a lot of things that you will like, that will interest you. Just click one video and put your comments. Just put your phone number and whether na MTN and Glo na any network we just use, put on there. In the next 2 minutes somebody will credit you. In the next 2 minutes somebody will credit you. Please just do that. You have a chance to do that in 2nd of January. Yeah, you have a chance to do that in 2nd of January. After 2nd of January expired, from now till 2nd of January. So put your papa phone number, put your mama, or put your brother, gbele. Otis, my phone number why you are. We are doing giveaway. Even though na 1 million phone number we see for them, I will go credit. I beg. We go credit you now. Mona just put on our phone number on our network, which you know they use. Mona let us know. Just click the link. Just put on there. So those who go still watch this video later, please just go there and click the one of any video of your choice. Put your phone number and the network there. And if you also want to subscribe to us, you can also subscribe. So it's not a force, but if you will want to subscribe from the bottom of your heart, you can also subscribe. But if you don't want to subscribe, put your phone number there. God bless you. So we are doing it from our bottom of our heart. We don't ask anything for return. So please just do it and everything will be blessed. Please just help me to do it, okay? There is a chance nothing on the 2nd 2022. So we will be looking, we'll be waiting to see any phone number there and we automatically credit. I beg, wanna try, wanna just go there, go do them. So as we dey talk and they go, so our brother now, they use our brother with the diaspora, our sisters with the diaspora now. Till they make sure say in the superior, it can be the best. Now it can be the most influential youth, the more popular youth, the most anything youth in Edo State. No. There is time for everything. You understand? He doesn't allow John Osazee to do his business. He doesn't allow anybody to do his business. So now you want to start the same business. C4 issue came. You will fight your Sakonokodi, Imaloagbogun and the rest that you are not going to allow them. You are not going to allow them to also do the same business that you are doing. And the thing became a saga on ground. Now C4 is out of the way now. You see the way people are pumping money into charity. You said now you want to open your own charity. Bush Lion never see this issue now. Make your addresser. A Bush Lion will be say he betrayed in your blood just to please the dirty and the idiot Unda. Say want to please her. Bush Lion never see him. He never talk anything about him. He never talk anything about him. I be say I don't want to talk to now again because shoe get size. I be say I don't want to talk to now again. Shoe get size. But as the people they bust me with that video, me by myself come reason and say it doesn't make sense. This guy don't pursue a lot of people enter their houses. He don't pursue many self. See, with the platform, those are chasing all of them away. All of them don't move. Don't destroy their businesses. Now you want to come install your own. My brother, he go still come back. Oh, my brother, he not go work. He not go work. Anybody will go donate money for your charity, the person not get sense. If you know say you don't get plan to build down, my brother, money where you want put, there is to go open salon for your wife. You have to go open provision store for your wife. Oh, because if you open, I not go work. You not go work. Because I know say some gullible those people go dey put money o, but I dey tell you na problem na you wan put for social media. How about my brother? Na problem na you dey carry dey come 2022 o. Problem. So if you no wan make problem come, that charity wey you dey plan to open, withdraw your step. That foundation wey you dey plan to open, withdraw yourself. Is it time yet? Check. It's time? So wetin I wan just beg una say, this issue I don reason am say e no make sense. So Imudia and John Osazee and the rest others, they have to team together to make sure say this boy e no open this foundation. As long as he say make dem close their own, e don destroy their own, e no go still open im own. Bush lion now, whether you dey underground or dey join dem dey do this krukre waka because you never talk. You say you dey against charity. So the against charity wey you dey against now your friend, your brother wan go open now. Maybe you still dey underground o, the way verse dey John Osazee on. Then you wan go amagasi or do asiezo wokeke. Ama ifia no we asiezo isa. Maybe Abba don tell you say wetin go dey give you. So my Edo people, so I wan beg una one thing. More dey do something wey go make our state progress. More dey do something wey be say go dey encourage our people. More dey do something wey be say go dey bring prosperity to the land. More dey do something wey be say we will take dey raise our brothers and sisters up. Not be say more come dey do something more take dey bring ourselves down, or to come dey find one negativity things against one another. If you cannot be a friend to king, wetin you gain now? You cannot be a friend to king, cannot be a friend to my brother. If your friend are king, you get friend as a king, you are also a king. If you have a friend as a governor, you are also a governor. So automatically more they try, more not they bring our brothers down. More they make sure say any position where our brother dey, more they pull hand, make them till they grow. So that if they still grow, it go still favor us. When you look our industry today, like our music industry for our state, we are the poorest. You understand? All to the whole 36 states, our music not they go far. But anything they do for Lagos, they sell. Anything they do for Lagos, they sell. Anybody, Benin man will be say just they rise up. Before you know, Benin people don't use math, they don't take bring and down. Who does this thing? Why? If I dey sell tomatoes just now, say my business dey boom. All I do people want enter tomatoes business. Everybody want come dey do tomatoes. Everybody will come dey sell the tomatoes so until when they spoil am. Until when they spoil that tomatoes business, they not go rest. They not go rest. You don't destroy somebody's business. You want to come open your own business. How you want to work? How you want to work? Please, if you know that you are just joining us, please click that YouTube link and put your phone number and the network is a giveaway. Any phone number that we see there, and we will credit you. Whatsoever network that you are using, please just put your phone number and the network, we will credit you. That's our Christmas and New Year gift. So it's going to expire on the 2nd of January. So please just do that, okay? You can put it, I can just hold it like this. So waiting, I want to try to tell you now, my Edo people, I beg, more not they try to they bring one another down, because bringing your own brother down, it doesn't make you popular, or it doesn't make you the best, you know. So I will rather beg for everybody to come together. Now New Year wants to enter, so 2022. Please help me to load it. So we are about going to 2022 now. So for me, my advice today to everyone, don't use quarrel to enter. My brother, happy celebration, man. Happy celebration. Long time, man. I greet you. If you know say you get any of your brother, any of your friend beef for mind, remove one for 2022, man. Not use that to enter the new year. Not use that to enter the new year. Throw away and for road, make come up for your mind. Free your mind. So that everything we dey ask from Baba God, it go dey happen for your life, you know. Not they put something for year. Not let another person problem come they worry you. You understand? And my brother Albert, I not hate you. You are still my little brother. I still keep telling you. Only one thing, the area that you are going now is that just stop the foundation that you are about to open. Stop am, because now there now you want to try now want to extort money from people. This one, no, please just try to withdraw your step. You understand? You see our governor that day, he carried things go give the less privilege. Foundation first day, they're not the year of them. Foundation full do we be say they're not the year of. Mona make all those foundation now. Mona package them. Mona give them access. We be say them fitting they reach out to Edo people in the diaspora. Not be you now. Anybody with this social media don't need to open foundation. Because if you now open foundation, all of you are thief. Eh? You don't know how many people will open foundation. One set it time. This one for Germany open, America open, Texas open, New York open, UK open. All of them are just do foundation. Wa sunu na, wa sunu, wa mi wa mai wa gbe na ni so tone wa ewe wo. So genocide now, it does of freedom enters, but still they collect small. Oh, yeah, we police are bewu no go yari rai. Now respecting content the chop now. But now about one use almost about 500,000 followers we get now. Content come for una say one collect. You want collect. When I care or I care ezo no dey social media 2022. O wa ale. Oni ojowo kuro nigbe. Eya do social media. Ema maje ya. Please try to share this video. Let it get to your friend, and let it get to your friend. And so for the giveaway, so for the giveaway, we're about to do, so that the people can able to have it. So the giveaway is still hunting 2nd of January 2022. So anybody we find there, we find his phone number and the network, it will be credit as soon as possible. So there's no two ways about it. You will be credit as soon as possible. Please just click any video of your choice, put your comment there with your phone number, and the network will credit you. You understand? So we are not here to fight anybody. We are not here for saga. We are not. But I want to talk something. I go postpone now. I want to talk away. Be say the thing, it go catch fire. Now I want to tell now today. But I go postpone now. I go postpone that thing where I want to tell you now today. So I beg, mona they follow our Facebook page, which is the Great Edo United Association page. Mona they follow them, so that now I go feel encourage us more to they come out, you know. If una not they follow us, I want to do. So mona they follow us our page, our YouTube channel. Mona they follow them. Every day they upload a new video put for there. Brother, make you go watch them. Sister, make you go watch them. I beg. Mona say subscribe for us, I beg. And I want to beg una one thing. Help me to tell him to calm down. 1 minute. So waiting, I want to try to tell you now today. Say I beg. Mona try. Because to if I drop now, I'll still check the YouTube channel. Make I see how many people will go see drop number today. We'll see credit them. So and maybe tomorrow I will try to come out for Great Edo United Association page. Now page. Mona follow our page. The Great Edo United Association page. The logo we did there. Our members, they wear our t-shirts. For back, they write the Great Edo United Association put. Now white. Mona just press the bell, follow, like, share, I beg, Mona help us just do that one. So that now come the year boge news we could come out from there. If na saga na dey find somebody dey. If na let's talk am small, somebody dey. Na just happy, na cool things now we wan do for 2022. Sister, you go take prosper now we wan dey talk about. Brother, you go take make am for life now we wan come dey talk about. Not be how you wan come tell I wan take kill you, I wan take bring you down. No, we don't need all those ones, So I just say this 2022 so we wan enter. May all of us use our wisdom. May all of us use our brain. Nobody wey too wise. Nobody wey be say I be island. Nobody wey be say man. Now only one I dey control the world, not deal. You still need people. One person cannot form a nation is impossible. If this say one person can form a nation, some big men will get money, therefore don't go form their own nation. It's impossible. So as long as say you can carry people along, please, brother, sister, carry them along, but they will still betray you. But don't worry. Don't worry. Still keep on carrying on. You understand? So my brother, my sister, anybody will be still on get for a year before 2022, wanna remove one. So that the prayer we want to pray that night, Baba God, you go answer Now they do miracle we be say may not they feed. Now they do science and wonder we be say may not they use shame catch children. I beg. I just want to beg everybody today say we get to boga news who want to carry. We get many talk who want to tell una. We be say una consider calling because on next video we go place our number and we go to receive WhatsApp call and also direct call so that may all of us more share ideas together. So una the many so una go call, but not be everything una talk, not be what you take. We'll still put many for consideration because they say one person, the wise finish. So I just want to greet you now today and say, my brother Abbott, don't open that foundation. If you begin my say you want to open that foundation, stop. Don't open any foundation. Foundation is not our problem. Foundation is not our problem. Our problem is electricity. Our problem is that our youth are lack of job. The money that you want to use to open foundation, go and build pure water factory so that some youth can also be working, having their salary. Please, don't go and open foundation. Use the money for something else. Let's create things in the States. If you can build a pure water factory, when 5 people, 10 people is working, me can also build 10 people is working there. The other person can build 5 people is working there. The stress will be less. The crime rate will be reduced. The crime and the laziness will be reduced because when the youth are not working, now even armed robber, you go send a vigilante. Kidnapper, you go send a vigilante. Anybody who just send, go send a vigilante. Because why? The state don't have never provide anything for them. So, my brother, let's think wise. Mostly move from this stage. You get friends who get money. You they move with friends who say they don't take politicians' money. Mona join hands together. Mona take open supermarket, follow everywhere, make people they work. Anything way come out, my brother, na your money, I not go every you. But say you want to use your platform, continue to collect money online, my brother, it don't make sense. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. And I want to thank our excellency. Don't get us say God doing. I want to thank our excellency, our governor. God will bless you. I see the video where we say a trend come my side. I think yesterday or today. Where we say man, it address Tony Kabaka issue. And since some people see they talk and they go for social media, it don't really matter whether you give her a cow, you give her a rice. It don't matter. Even though say not be politics, say person go greet am for us and he go give am. So na so life be. So make people not come dey talk say that one na bribing or one or two things. No. Now he still remain younger brother. So Tony still loyal to am, even though say not still work for am. So anything we see, me just still collect am. And so it be. Not be many of una still get money, na no fit still do am. I no fit still do am. So I greet everybody, man. Unto one love. More try more go do United TV and just subscribe and just put your phone number. We will credit you. Any network we use will credit you. Just put your phone number there and your network, the name of your network will credit you. I beg. And more try, more follow us for our Facebook page. Edo United, the Great Edo United Association, One Mind. So wanna follow us for there. So that next video we want do. Okay, mama, sure. More listen to our mama first. What we call her a day. Mama, they invite you now. Mama, they invite you now.
Kolokwa. Na good evening. Waya bota o.
Bota.
Waya celebrate.
Celebrate.
How the family?
Yeah, we just did. We thank God.
Bele.
We thank God.
My brother, they lose it to you, but get one place where I for disagree with you.
Okay.
You know, say all of us we see the learn. Nobody
man.
know finish. But you see that Abat own, you talk am well because Abat not supposed to open foundation, no. Because when people mad, they see they think Abat use 4+4 take sip our Edo people this year, stroke last year.
Yeah.
Now it don't come with foundation now. In normal circumstances, as Abat use 4+4 take sip our Edo people, and Abat still supposed to they come out for those our Edo people where really vote for our excellency. See what our governor they do. See what they do. What you know they do well. But since where Abat do all those elections, something finish now, it can't taste that shift. And I'm not saying that because they not give a position, but anyhow, he know how much he chop for that election.
Yes, now.
But meanwhile, he's supposed to they tell our Edo people waiting day.
Yeah.
Abat refuse. So now he want come with this foundation. Foundation Abat my gualo. Foundation or a problem in the Edo. Abat lenu ya go leliedo we 4+4 ogbane. So when they try no aye platform where kami iliedo gevine governor gevine or when the governor manari munanu at least he go to where move obey governor or send we are 10 years in this 10 years. Because even Edo now Edo people money now only you can put for pockets. So all those foundation fraud, we don't need them. We have a lot of foundation in that Edo state. Can I hear? We need to hear all those foundation name. Not be all this new one at the debits they create. We're here to disturb genocide. No, disturb Felix Imudia. No, where don't Mudia as if we now you come good past. You are a green snake under the green grass. OG. Okay, kabot dame where if you di maso no mwere regboto. We have a lot of them. That is the fact. No, this will not be for laughing matter. That is the fact. Person like me now, I cannot fall for Abat cheap. I get mad. No, I dey think. But we have a lot of us where their brain, I don't even know how to describe some of our Edo people brain how it dey. Oh, see, the other night we see am where they boto.
I'm already boto.
Na ye dame Abat no Jacques Mojeni. Abat ruwe biba. Emina batine also one ego nena le webo. Also who wa
When going your pan if you do, you know, when going your pan if you do, near cardboard, with one thing I do people believe on say, any area where be say just the TT, everybody they
but
put there.
how long now? How long can we continue with all this madness?
Okay, you don't see rice where they share that day now. The rice where they see they share that day now. People begin to volunteer. And many of them get street with them for build house. Many of them get street with their mama day. Many of them get communities where we say there is less privilege even they don't go even see food chop for Christmas. They don't reach out to these people. They come on, go reach out to Abbas. Help me buy 5 bags. Help me buy. But those are not consign me. I think I know those ones not consign me. So, but only one thing I want to talk say. The foundation when saying one open now, it not go work. It's not going to accept.
But to already la wa oji 419
2022. If our bank open the foundation, saga will
you still want to continue?
We give our bats now to withdraw a step. Now,
withdraw it.
May withdraw a step. If he eventually go open that foundation,
Make it patronize the ones where we get. We get a lot of foundation. Make it patronize all those ones. Make sure say as you talk before, make all those ones, make we know them.
And those people waiting I want me about do maybe this one. About me carry immediate thing. Go those foundations where they know the year of where don't they exist 20 years, 15 years ago.
We need to the year of them. More the truth those people they communicate.
They exist, see address, see everything, see their account number, see their social media. One they follow them, one they support them. You go see go the other one, you go see go talk, you go see go the other one. Now waiting we want, not be fresh foundation. We are too young. We about me, Osazee, Imudia, we are too young to open foundation.
Abi?
To say the truth, we are too young because we never even get money. Now people we don't even make up for life, then they open foundation.
If you look at like this Imudia and Osazee, no, they open and not be their money they take open. And now people wasting their Europe. Now they see they support them.
Waiting me one try talking. You see all those madness where they happen so. Now Osazee and I cost everything. You understand? Me, I don't go see the truth, I don't talk out. Now Osazee make them look say money to charity. Now Osazee open the eye say with your phone you can open foundation. When Imudia starts, you not say one open foundation. Now take the record, mama take 20,000. You know.
Now people with them. Damn yo, katabanwe mabume webone nerire no don't know la married with my and now still people now still ginger Imudia now people still ginger now. But anyhow is I believe he's doing well. But now where me dig against Nana for about level when I get key because it's coming the election you're sending it does too much. Okay, let me ask a question here, please.
Okay.
Say all those rights where our good citizens of Nigeria donate.
Yeah.
Now it will come out. He won't tell me now say he no carry for inside. Give in-law, mama, wife, because this is what he was against.
All of them, mama, listen, mama, in-law. His siblings, all of them are less privileged.
Yeah, I can marry everywhere because it may work and not work here. Because on now ya goes at Osazee home, on now ya go Kolisi home. We can not work here. I not here. My mother against all those things.
Okay,
so
yeah,
to stop.
Is he trying to tell Edo people that he is the only saint in Edo State?
Like he is the devil with the set it up. Or almost almost on the batty.
So
Almost almost on the don't take you up. Me not watch to batty.
now because say the other for our Facebook page, they bring that down. So we just come back with this one now. People never to know him. So and one thing I want to let Edo people know say, Mona try to follow us on our page, our Facebook and everything. Our YouTube.
Time they call, tell man you go put phone number what they call inside.
Yeah, next video where I go put phone number and I fit call for WhatsApp and direct for.
Or invite people that will speak up on their own.
And I want make people follow this page where Mona follow our page, our YouTube and everything, so that now will give me encouragement. We be saying I fit continue to talk to now every day or every 2 times in a day. Every time, you know, I fit confident they follow now they talk. More they discuss about prosperity things we go to make us important. You know. So if you be my friend, come on, gather reason I will be the next billionaire, you know. But only one thing I want to tell people, I don't think against anybody opening any business of its own choice, no. But you criticizing somebody opening the same business after the person has stopped for the business, you want to take over the business. It's not acceptable. And
it's not acceptable.
One thing I have to let the hopeful Nigerians to know, anybody that is on social media is a blogger or a presenter. He not supposed to own a charity organization. He not supposed to own a foundation. Because if he owns a foundation, it's going to be scam upon scam.
Okay.
It's going to be scam upon scam. Because no one is going to trust him. No one is going to follow the activities. So please, I just want to beg the good people of Nigerian and Edo people. This is 2022 we are about to step into. We don't need any other man or woman to come and scam us again. No. Let's come together and do things that will benefit our people, where our youth can start something doing, where we can help ourselves. Because this give me make I help you give person, you know, the work, the prayer, not even the work.
Nine.
You know the work. You give me 20,000, I go give person. I read I give him 5,000. I put 15,000 for pocket. The person go pray for me, not be you will bring money.
Huh? That is true.
Not be, now the hand we give it, now they bless, not be the hand we take it. Now the hand we give.
Now what most of our Edo people not to understand. Now what they not to understand. There's nothing like you bring it by yourself. Use it to do whatever you want to do. Now you will give you the blessing. Who dies? Now the body it is well.
May I tell Edo people one story. It's just a short story. There was a friend. It was like, I want to marry. They want to do a traditional wedding. Just normal traditional wedding in our state. It was like, okay, my younger sister, I not fit come. I never get paper. Represent me, but my husband they come house. Represent me. His sister already finished, do everything. They do marriage finish. His sister now we represent her now. Now he come the talk say, now he get husband.
Not the level.
Before you know, play, represent her now. He don't get belly, he don't born. So, so Mona, don't worry. Mona, follow us on you Facebook. I will go to give you that gist. So, sister, the one where you can't see no, you go can't see call, tell us. The one where you don't see weakness, it go be fat. Not be they say, they not see. It will be fat. The one where me see, I will tell you. The one where you still see, you will still tell us. All of us go to listen until they wise. They learn. We need to educate this brain. This brain, is not to educate, but we have to educate them with life.
Not be
we
life.
Have to educate them with life. So, from my next video, I'm going to put the phone number there where everybody go feel they reach. But I want maybe follow. You will go watch this video later. Follow this page. Follow Edo United platform. All our social media handle, follow them. I will create time now with me. Some days go day, it will be saga day. Some days go day, it will be education day. Some days go day.
Anyone may they inform me.
Okay.
I dey inside. Normal one on guano.
All of them. We go. Listen, you know what you want to cook now? We go cook banga. 10 miss egusi, 10 miss ogbolo, 10 miss issue, everything. We go miss everything.
Alles good.
So Edo people, happy new year in advance. And una way they drink, mona suffer you. Drink and drive is against constitution. It's for your own safety. Yeah. Take it easy. Many more years they come. Even picking with they never born. If they come, they can say Happy New Year. So
yeah, we're gonna be last.
Save this your head for life. Not go say because say I want to do Dorime for club. You don't do Dorime finish. The new year now, you not can see New Year. New Year grave. You can go see grave for New Year. That is not our portion. That is not our portion. But use your wisdom, not be everything devil they cause. Some things they will they cause with our own hand. So please,
not be lie.
Drink carefully and drive carefully. You know, so let everybody be safe. And I pray for we to meet in 2022. But I will start coming out from now till 2022. And for we to be having discussion every day. I will try to be putting phone number. You can also call and bring your own opinion for the issues, you know. So, and we are still going to be doing questioning and answer. Anyone that wins will also get prize for it. So, this platform now anyway, just anywhere we go with them. So, wanna try to follow us. So, I love you guys. I thank you, my wonderful, beautiful sister. So, I will say my rice and fried rice in the kitchen, in the fridge. I bet make you stop with us. So we love you and God bless you. So my dear people, so before I go close the topic for today, so if you know this is your first time following us, please just try to follow our media handle and try to inbox us and ask us which area are we standing. We are coming with full force. So one love, man. I greet everybody and have a wonderful, blessed night, and God bless every one of you, man. One love.